Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all fine. Okay? In this video, we will see that the focal length of the spherical mirror is half of the radius of curvature. Okay? इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? Actually, focal length of spherical mirror is half of radius of curvature. Yes, that एनी स्फेरिकल मिरर, किसी भी स्फेरिकल मिरर का जो फोकल लेंथ होता है वो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर का हाफ होता है. ठीक है. सो वी सी एफ इक्वल्स आर बाई 2 एंड स्फेरिकल मिरर्स आर टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट कॉनकेव एंड सेकेंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. इन बोथ कॉनकेव में भी हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे, फोकल लेंथ रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर का हाफ होता है, एंड कन्वेक्स मिरर में भी हम लोग इस चीज को स्टडी करेंगे. फर्स्ट सबसे पहले हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे कनकेव मिरर में फोकल लेंथ रेडियस का हाफ होता है. लेट्स सी स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज एफ इक्वल्स आर बाई 2 वेरी केयरफुली एंड इजिली. Now let's start beta. This is a concave mirror. M1, M2. This is pole. This is center of curvature. This is principal axis and focus point. A ray traveling parallel to principal axis A, B. Okay, and I told you already, rays after reflection अगर पैरेलल हैं तो प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास होती हैं. Now we draw the normal from C. That's I already told you. This is normal. CB is the normal. It is angle of incidence. It is angle of reflection. This is 1. Now we see what beta angle I equals to angle R. Reason law of reflection. Beta 1 equals to I. Why? Because alternate angle I equals to 1. So comprising both, this side equal, then this side also equal. Angle R equals angle 1. R equals angle 1. So in triangle CFB, CF equals FB. What is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angle. Equal angle opposite side. Now, trying to understand. If B is located nearer to P, if अगर ये B पॉइंट बहुत क्लोज हो P के, इफ B इज नियरर टू P, B P के नियरर तब होगा जब अपर्चर ऑफ मिरर इज वेरी स्मॉल, दैट इज aperture of mirror is very small. Then what will be? अगर B P के नियरर है बेटा, then FB is equal to PF. FB is equal to PF. Now CF equals, on the place of the FB we will write now PF. Then CP equals CF plus PF. Now beta, CP equals, on the place of CF we will write now PF plus already PF. Now CP equals 2PF. Okay beta, CP equals 2PF. Now CP is the radius of curvature R equals, and PF is the focal length F. I'm sorry, 2. PF is the focal length F. Now F equals R by 2. That's proved very easily. Let's see this heading in the convex mirror. Okay. Now we will see F equals R by 2 in convex mirror very easily. See carefully. What is that? This is a concave mirror. I'm sorry, convex mirror. Convex mirror. M1, M2. Now this is pole, center of curvature, principal axis and focus point. Now a ray parallel to principal axis traveling. The ray is AB. Now we see beta, this is incident ray and a ray traveling parallel to principal axis after reflection from the mirror appears to coming from the focus point. So this ray reflected. Now we draw normal, that means to say join the C to B. This is a line representing to normal. Now this is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Trying to understand beta, if this is I and this is angle of reflection, this is R, it is also R. Why? Because opposite angles, and you can see this angle. This is vertical opposite angle, so equal. And if this is angle 1 consider, इसको angle 1 consider करते हैं बेटा. Now angle 1 is equal to angle I. Angle 1 is equal to angle I. Angle 1 is equal to angle I. Reason, this line and this line is parallel. ये दोनों lines parallel हैं and this is transversal. So this I is equal to 1 due to corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. And you know very well angle R is equal to angle I. R is equal to angle I. What is the reason? Law of reflection. So R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. Then in triangle CBF, CF equals FB. Side opposite to equals angle. Equal angles की opposite sides equal होती हैं. Now if B is nearer to P, अगर ये B पॉइंट P के बहुत क्लोज हो, if B is nearer to P means, what is the meaning? The aperture of the mirror is very small. The aperture of mirror is very small. So beta, FB equals to FP. FB equals to FP. Okay. And now on the place of FB we can write now CF. Okay. On the place of FB we write now CF equals to PF. And now CP equals CF plus PF. On the place of CF we write now PF plus PF. Now CP equals PF to PF. Here PF equals CP by 2. And now PF is focal length and CP is radius of curvature. Now putting these values here, F equals R by 2. Hence proof it is very easy. Let's meet in next topic. Goodbye.